Grammy-winning reggae artist Koffee has released her highly anticipated debut album titled Gifted. The project was released today and features 10 songs. Now, Gifted boasts tracks like Times 10, Lonely, Defend, Where I'm From, Gifted, the title track, and the previously released hits Lockdown, West Indies, and Pull Up. Gifted is the follow-up to Koffee's 2019 Grammy-winning EP Rapture. Earlier this month, Koffee hosted a private listening event that gave industry players, media, and selective fans an exclusive listen of the tracks featured on the album. Gifted was released via Sony Music UK and RCA Records. Koffee is scheduled to embark on an accompanying tour beginning in the United States in April. The tour will be in support of the album and will see Koffee making stops in Boston, New York, Toronto, Chicago, among other cities. Now, Billboard magazine recently joined forces with the global Afrobeats brand Afro Nation to launch its first ever U.S. chart for Afrobeat songs. The U.S. Afrobeats songs chart will go live on Tuesday and will rank the 50 most popular Afrobeat songs in the United States. Now, this is based on a weighted formula incorporating official streams on both subscription and ad-supported tiers of leading audio and video music services, plus download sales from top music retailers. In January 2020, Billboard removed the weekly reggae digital song sales chart that ranked the top downloaded and streamed reggae and dancehall songs in the US. The reggae albums chart continues to be published weekly. It was recently announced that a Megan Thee Stallion documentary is on the way. The documentary series is being produced by Time Studios and her management company Rock Nation. The project will cover her career and personal and professional milestones, including how she overcame various challenges while thriving in her professional career. CEO of Rock Nation Desiree Perez, in a release online, stated that Megan's journey is inspirational, and the hope is that the documentary will inspire viewers to stay the course and pursue their passions through ups and downs. It is not yet known what platform the documentary will be released on. So this weekend, Fame Frequency returns with the Smirnoff Carnival Experience. The event will feature resident DJs Narity, Arif Cooper, and Xavier. Fame Frequency Carnival Experience kicks off at 9 o'clock on RETV and 10:45 p.m. right here on TVJ. You are all invited to the VIP Zoom area where you can watch yourself live in the party. I'm Deidre Gordon reporting for your weekend edition of E-Prime. Be safe.